Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are just fine and doing well. Today we are diving into adorable world of crochet baby shoes, where creativity meets comfort for tiny toes. Whether you are beginners or a seasoned crocheter, these charming baby shoes design will inspire your next project. First up, the timeless classic booties. These cozy little shoes never go out of style, soft, simple and snug, perfect for newborn. You can use pastel yarn for a soft baby look or go bold with fun color combination. Next we have the cute and classy Mary Jane shoes. These are perfect for baby girls and soft, come with little straps and button details. Add a small flower or bow for extra charm, ideal for special occasion like baby shower or birthday. Want something fun and sporty? Try crochet baby sneaker inspired by popular brand. These mini shoes are super trendy. You can go for red and white, blue and black, or even rainbow colors for a unique twist. Let's not forget the adorable animal themed shoes. Think bunny ear, bear faces, or even tiny frog eye on the toe cap. These playful shoes are sure to make everyone smile, especially during baby photo shoot. For a more delicate touch, go with lace baby shoes. These designs are airy, elegant, and perfect for warmer season. Choose softer cotton yarn and add ribbon ties for that extra sweet look. You can also crochet shoes with a seasonal theme like tiny pumpkin booties for fall, snowflake style for winter, or floral pattern for spring. These are great gift idea and can be customized to match any baby outfit. When creating baby shoes, always use baby safe yarn. And if you want more ideas, more videos, then just leave the comment below. I will upload more videos for you. Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are just fine and doing well. Today we are diving into adorable world.